Hey guys, John here. I just wanted to do a how-to video. I know, as a prepper, we're concerned about hoarding silver and gold and food and the things that we need. I call it hoarding because, prepping involves having things that you don't need today but you might need tomorrow. So I'll use the modern terminology of hoarding. One thing I'm not ashamed of is hoarding silver and gold. I wanted to make this video for you. Right here I've got a little pile of sterling silver. This video is called How I Got 30 Ounces of Silver for Pennies on the Dollar. Now I'm going to tell you what I do. This is 30 ounces of silver. There are 10 2020 Silver Eagles and 20 Buffalo Rounds. 30 ounces of pure silver. I bought this at my local coin store. I bought from this guy because I bought all this at just a couple dollars above spot for each piece. And especially for the Silver Eagles, that's a great deal. And with the premiums on the internet right now, you're paying upwards of $10 a coin. So at $2 a coin, and I don't have to mess with a credit card or whatever, it works out for me real well. I don't like paying those $10 a piece premiums. But what I did is, I take this sterling silver and I get it for sometimes almost nothing. What I do is I go around to thrift stores, I go to yard sales, and I go to auctions, estate auctions, that type of thing. And I'll buy junk lots at an auction, just a row of boxes, whatever. Get it for just a few dollars. And then I go through, I get all the valuables out, and I take the sterling and I save it up and I'll sell it on Facebook or on eBay for spot. And then in this here, this is $740 in cash in this 30 ounces. I have about $220 in that. That money that I spent to get the $740. And I find it works very well. I do it with gold. I'll buy junk lots of boxes, and I'll buy junk boxes of jewelry at thrift stores, things like that, and go through it, and inevitably I'll find gold and silver in it. And I've turned the gold, scrap jewelry, into money to buy gold bullion, as I've done the sterling silver. And like I say, I get it all for pennies on the dollar, the gold and the silver. I mean, the profit on the gold is ridiculous because I get it so cheap. And you can do it too. It takes a little practice, it takes a little honing of a few skills. And what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start putting up some videos, and I'm going to teach you how you can check your gold and your silver, your gold jewelry and silver jewelry, items like that. How you can test it easily even without chemicals on the many items. You don't even need chemicals, you just need a decent scale and a little water. And there's a trick that you can do, and you can find a specific gravity and no damage to anything. I even sell the diamonds out of, sometimes you get diamonds in earrings and rings and make a huge profit on that from doing this. But I don't think it's too bad to have a few $100s and $740 worth of silver. And you can do it too. Anybody can do it. I'm not a rich man, so I have to find ways to prepare and help my family and prepare for the future for them. We got 2 little babies. I know that's hard to believe. I'm an old man. But I kicked out 2 in the last 2 years. Not bad for an old guy. And got a hot wife too. She's recording this video. She's looking at me right now, giving me an evil eye and turning really red. It's my beautiful wife, Victoria. Well, folks, I just hope this helps you. And if you want some more of these videos on testing gold and silver, and I can do chemical tests for you too, and show you how to use a scrubber and test everything. And if you'd like to see more of these videos like this, please mention it in the comments. Thank you all. God bless you, and God bless America.